Why?
Well, I didn't want the dog running around freely, so I left him in the car.
I meant, why is the girl tied up?
Why is the girl tied up?
Yeah. Why?
Yeah, you asked why.
Yeah.
To the party.
What party?
This one, Felicia's. It's part of the entertainment.
Well, how does she entertain like that?
Well, it's very French. Fifi, will you be quiet, please? You see, she's a prisoner, and she pops out of the cake, and the dog pops up after her and unties her with his teeth. She's running her lines. Look, I gotta get the troop out of here before someone else happens along and the surprise is spoiled. Is the big closet in the back room being used for anything?
No, just some extra costumes are in it.
Terrific, that's wonderful. Don't tell Wallingford about this at all. It's a surprise for him, too.
Entertainment.
No. Felicia's orders. No one must know, absolutely no one.
Okay, mum's the word.
See? Mum. She said mum. Good man. One other thing. There's a woman that we're expecting, a redhead, and she'll be looking for the dog. She's the only one that can handle him. He's very temperamental. He looks sedate, but he's very So, would you keep an eye out front, and when she comes, send her to the back room?
Oh, sure, I can take care of that.
Great.
I'll go check for you now.
Oh, you were very good. Sure, thank you. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Dave. Yeah. Showtime, Cecile. Come on. Come on, Fifi. Come on. That's it, girl. Come on, we're going to go the back way. Come on. You're such a party animal. I love it. Come on. Claustrophobia. Come on, Cecile. Hoppity hop. We're going to test your claustrophobia. I feel bad, Cecile. I really do. But when I think of all the things you've done to Kathleen, nah, I don't feel so badly after all. Okay, boy. We just have to wait for Kathleen to come and take you back, huh? And Cecile tells us the truth. She's going to take me back, too. Huh. Don't you think?